Flex them again. There. Flex again. Flex again. If he immediately comes up, you just repeat it until he gives. There. Nice. Nice. Yes. Yeah. Flex again. Good catch. Flex again. Make him go down lower. There. A little lower yet. He can still go lower. Still go lower. Still go lower. Release. Let's pick up trot. Tap him on the hip. Make him go. Pluck. Inside flexion. There you go. Inside flexion. Inside flexion. Outside rein. Inside flexion. Hold that outside rein on his neck. Hold it on his neck. Hold it on his neck. Inside flexion. Inside flexion. Outside rein. Hold that outside rein. Inside flexion. Make him give to you. Make him give. Make him give as soon as he does. Yeah. Yeah. A little more flexion again. Now, there. He got it. He came up. There. There. There you go. It's hard to ride when he's doing all that coughing, I know, but there. You saw the stride change. Not too fast, but nice suspension. 1, 2, 1, 2. Slow down just a little bit. Inside flexion. Yes, yes. Now he's got some suspension too. Inside flexion. It can be better than that. There. Yes. Inside flexion. You have to decide what you want to settle for. There. That ought to be better. Inside flexion again. Inside flexion. Down by your knee. Hold the outside rein. Yes. Inside flexion. Give him a little bit of rein. Inside flexion again.